Here we are trying to paint this door, and for that we will need to take out the door handle. To take out the door handle, the moment you open the door, you will see a plastic cover just like that right there. We'll be using a plastic trim remover tool to take that circle plastic cover out. Notice right inside there is that bad boy that needs to be unscrewed in order to take out the door handle. We'll be using a Torx 30 bit along with a ratchet wrench and an extension. We'll punch in the screw right there and then unscrew it up until the very end. Now this screw does not come out completely, it just needs to be unscrewed up until the very end. Once you notice the tool that you are using to unscrew is not coming out anymore, that's the sign that you have unscrewed the screw up until the very end. Now we'll take out our tool and then go at the front. Now this piece should come out easily, just like that, because the screw inside has been taken all the way out. So we are good with this part. To take the bigger portion out, what you do is you grab it and then you push it outwards, just like that, and now it should come out easily. There it is. With that, we are done taking out the door handle. Now in case if you want to put it back, you just reverse the steps we did and you should be fine. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Here are the list of tools used for this takeout.